Welcome everyone, my name's Kelly and this is my 2017 Mustang. We're going to be taking off my wheels and putting on a brand new set today, so stay tuned. Let's take a quick look here. We got the black pack wheels with some 25mm spacers front and rear. Pretty good look, sit pretty wide, but you know what, we're going to get some bigger wheels and tires in there, so let's get going. Got the car lifted up, we're going to have to buzz off all the wheels. I need to save those tire pressure monitors so we can put them into the new wheels. So we'll remove those and let's remove the spacers as well at the same time because we're obviously not going to be needing them. First I need to crack the beads so we can expose the tire pressure monitor. We're going to split them into two pieces and pull out the valve stem. Once we've done that, we can switch those over and use them on the new wheels that we're going to be installing. But first I need to stick in a regular valve stem. That way I can air these tires back up, get them listed, and hopefully get these things sold. Well, so you're probably wondering what wheels I got. There you have it. Niche, say what you want. These are the wheels that I ended up getting, so let's open them up. Let's have a quick look. It was nice the way the wheels were packaged. The boxes were, really well built. Had lots of padding and whatnot to keep the wheels nice and safe in there, so they all came out of the boxes and they all looked absolutely perfect. So I went with some 20x9s and 20x10.5s. Alright, so these are called Vice, the niche Vice, with the bronze and the black gloss lip there. I think they look pretty good. So it is a 20x9 in the front, so I think it should look pretty good. So I ended up by going with these the Firestone Indy Firehawk 500s. They're pretty cheap. I mean, for the money, I heard that they're decent. So we'll see how they go. I mean, the tires that I had in my car before were really good actually. I had some Conti Extreme Pro contacts. I would never have bought those tires, to tell you the honest truth. But they came with those wheels and they performed really well. So, I should almost have bought those just because how impressed I was with them. But yeah, we're gonna go with these Indy 500s and hopefully they are not too bad. For the money, I heard they were pretty good. So I went with a 275 3520 and a 305 3520. Hopefully I don't regret going 35s and not 30s. But I wanted to have a little bit of sidewall. I mean, it looks pretty narrow already, so I think it's probably okay. The 30s might have been a little bit too much rubber band, but yeah, this should be pretty good. So anyways, let's get to installing this stuff. Just starting off here, quickly installing the valve stem and the TPMS sensor. I'm actually doing something here that I've never done before. I'm going to leave all the protection on the front of the rim, and I'm going to reverse mount the rim as well on the tire machine. That way I can be damn sure I am not going to mark up my new wheels. So let's get lots of lube on here and throw these wheels on real quick. Luckily at my shop we have a really nice tire machine. Mounting low profile wide tires can definitely be a pain in the butt if you don't have quality equipment. Luckily we got the good stuff. Alright, now we got that mounted, aired up, ready to stick it on the balancer. So throw it on the balancer here, get some weights on it. Hopefully this thing spins up real nice and easy, and we can throw them on the car. First look, and I'm excited. Let's get this thing lower down and on the ground so we can see what it really looks like. Man, this is looking good. I am super excited. I'm really happy the way this turned out. Tire pressures are set. Let's get all these wheels torqued and let's go for a drive. Well, I think it turned out really good. Wheels are such a personal choice. You love them, you hate them, but I think these look really good. Just so happens it was a Friday night, so figured I'd cruise on through the local meat spot, hopefully see if some of my friends are there, show them my new wheels, see what they think. Just want to take a quick second. If you like any of this video, or you want to stay connected with what I'm doing, please consider hitting the like button and subscribing to the channel. Thanks so much. And that's all we have for today. Thanks so much for watching. Drop me a comment. Let me know what you think about the wheels. Think they're good or bad? Let me know.